Are these all the same kind of 3D shape?
Let's find out.
How are these shapes alike? They all have 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. How are these shapes different? They are different colors and sizes. They are also in different positions. We define 3D shapes by the shape and number of faces or flat surfaces, and by the number of edges and vertices. How can you define a rectangular prism? It is a shape that has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Are all of these shapes rectangular prisms?
Select your answer.
Yes, they all have the traits needed for rectangular prisms. Why are these shapes not the same kind of shape? One shape has no flat surfaces, some have no vertices, and some have no edges. The flat surfaces on one shape are rectangles, and on another are circles. Color does not define shapes. Just because shapes are the same size or color does not mean they are the same. These shapes are all green, but there is a rectangular prism, a sphere, and a cylinder. Color does not define shapes. What is each of these shapes? How do you know? Each of these shapes is a rectangular prism. All of the shapes have 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Are all of the rectangular prisms facing the same way? No, they are not all facing the same way. Are all of the rectangular prisms the same size? No, they are not all the same size. Does size or position determine if the shapes are rectangular prisms? No. Color, size, and direction don't define a shape. Some things about these shapes are different, but they are all rectangular prisms.